Hello students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School e-learning class of standard 10th, subject mathematics. I am your mathematics teacher Varun Chauhan, and today we are going to perform one maths activity on surface area of cylinder. So students, before going to perform activity, you have to remember some points. To perform the activity, you have to take one A4 size chart paper or plain paper or practical book, ruler, pencil, scissor. Don't forget to mention your name, class, section and roll number on paper sheet. After that, write down the activity's name, objectives and material required. Also write learning outcomes after performing the activity. Students, our activity is to find surface area of cylinder. Its learning objectives to understand the concept of surface area of cylinder. Here, some material required, that is pen, A4 size plain paper, scissor, any circular object. So students, let's start for our today's activity. So first of all, we'll draw to circle which is of radius r centimeter, another one having the same radius which is equal to r, that is and here also r centimeter. We know the area of circle which is equal to pi r square. After that, we cut another sheet in circular form, that is of like cylindrical circular shape. So here we cut that sheet and make a circular face. Okay, now we know the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So when we open that circular face, so we get one rectangle. So if we draw the length of rectangle, okay, and after joining its circular face, we get the distance of that circular face and the distance between the opposite pair of rectangle which is equal to h, that we cut. So we'll cut it. Okay, so now here you see the distance between these two parallel side which is equal to h. This here pi r. So student, this is the circular face of cylinder and this is the bottom face and this is a top face. When we join this bottom and top face with the circular face, we get a complete cylinder like that. Like that. So to find the curved surface and total surface area of cylinder, let's see how we find. Okay, here if you have to find curved surface area of cylinder, so as we seen, the curved surface means the curved face of such cylinder which is equal to area of rectangle. So curved surface area of cylinder which is equal to area of rectangle, area of rectangle. So here we will write area of rectangle length into breadth which is equal to curved surface area, that is 2 pi r into h. Now, so curved surface area of cylinder directly will write here 2 pi r h. Okay. But if you have to find total surface area, so you will write here curved surface area plus top area of circular face plus bottom face area. We'll know curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH, top part of cylinder, that is pi r square, and again bottom face and top face will be same. So now top face and bottom face is pi r square plus pi r square. Now 2 pi r h plus pi r square and pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Okay, so we know when we taken out 2 pi r as a common factor, so we'll write 2 pi r into r plus h, and this is the total surface area of cylinder. So using this activity you can find the area of cylinder. After that you can calculate the area, total area of cylinder of any cylinder having the different radius. I hope you enjoyed today's activity and understand the concept of surface area of cylinder. Thank you. Have a nice day.